really cute in Marshalls. So this is $24. You have a ducky, a little doggy, a little brush. I don't think it makes noise. Shower hose really sprays. Oh, you could put water in it. Okay. It's a chocolate lab. That's a cute one. So we have this coffee maker for $25 by Tasty Junior. So what you're going to do, you're going to twist this around. It's going to say mocha, cappuccino. It makes noises, steam. I don't think you could put water in it, but it makes all the noise. You get cups and spoons. And a coffee maker set. That's kind of funny, and that is $20. A few new makeup palettes. Okay, look at this one. These are $5.99. Move that around. Girls just want to have sun. It's always sunny here. It's gonna be a late winter. Look at this one, really, really pretty for $5. And $13. So an LED light therapy mask. Let's see, orange light therapy, red light therapy, and blue. Oh, I thought it would tell you, but it's $29.99. Let me turn it around. Maybe it'll tell us. Okay, orange helps to target wrinkles and scars. Red, wrinkles and blood circulation. And blue, collagen and even skin tone. A lot of eyelashes, I've noticed everywhere I go, they are fully stocked. So if you are an eyelash person, I would suggest stocking up around Christmas time. $5. I've never seen so much out. Let's see, these are $5. Tons. Let me pull out this green one. $4. And $7. Little unicorn for $13. They have a little kid. And look, they have a snake one by Rachel Zoe. And that is only $13. Just a few. Not as much like we used to find. I want to say most of it might be at front at checkout. Which I don't know why they do that. Plenty of hand masks, $5.99. You know, Disney, we've seen these before. They're all the same. By the Creme Shop. You can also find one for your feet. So maybe last minute ideas. $5. And then more of these kits. Now, I feel like these kits right here, you really don't want them. I feel like don't buy your girlfriend or whoever, you know, one of these kits unless they really, really want it, okay? You get bath bombs, essential oil, wine glass, and a diffuser. Over here it's like shaped like a jet. It looks like maybe earplugs. Okay, essential oils, a little wallet, so like a jet setter. This one you get scrunchie. This is only $20. So yes, I feel like the person needs to love stuff like that. But this is kind of cool over here. Ocean wave light projector. And that's kind of cool if it really looks like that in your room. Right? Oh, get all calm and everything. Look at that. That would be really, really neat. Some more bracelets in here. Look at these earrings. Those are $13. And then more Christian Serrano. She believed she could. Oh, these are cute little tiny butterfly ones. Tony Moly, $5.99. And you know that stuff is so good. That is hand butter. Look at that little froggy one with the eyeballs. That one's new. I have not seen it. I think it would look a lot cuter if it had like googly eyes, you know. Plenty of hair turbans. So these are about $5 here. You get 2 in this one. Exfoliating gloves. You will get 2 for $5.99. Anti-cellulite, huh? That's $5. They have a coffee scent one too. Bar soap savers. Oh, you put your soap in there. Okay, you know what? I believe that might be kind of good, but I don't want no one else using my scrubby. You know, I wish the Dollar Tree would sell like 2, but they only sell you 1. $40. I found UGG earmuffs. It looks like it may come in multiple. They come in a little, you know, container. You're gonna have to open that. Steve Madden, which I believe I might have seen. These are belts, okay? And more backpacks, scrunchies, and a wallet. Can you believe they have Michael Kors, like a little crossbody? These are 25 here. I wonder if these are children. They don't say, because I do know they have stuff for children. And they're pretty tiny too, but if you're all about that life, 25 bucks. They even have it in gold. 9 West for $20 a crossbody, and you can also find it in green. I'm not sure if you've seen this, but you get the mitten and beanie. These are 20. It says love. The Steve Madden with the wristlet and the scarf will be 20. This is new. We haven't seen this one. Normally, you know, we find the beanie. And look right next to it, I found a little mini Betsy Johnson. This would be kind of cute for like a little girl too, who's very girly. $25. Little mini crossbody, and you do get the card holder. Oh look, they even have one that says snow. That's cute. Vince Camuto. So on the Vince Camuto, you can change the pom-poms, which I think is really cool. They're going to be 13. And more Michael Kors. You get the beanie and scarf for 20. So they have the silver and all black if you're feeling it. Calvin Klein, a really simple gloves and a scarf for 17. And then plenty of beanies with the pom-pom. Steve Madden, I wish they were interchangeable like Vince Camuto. Look at this hot pink one. Here's Adidas, a really simple one for only 13. You can also find it in black for 13. Phoenix Suns up in here. Oh, and here's the blue one. These are so cute. I have not seen this print yet in the Disney. I know we've been finding a lot, but they're like gingerbread cookies. So for our tiny one, they're only $4. Then you go to your medium and $5.99. And I want to say maybe 8 or 9 for that large one at the bottom. And the large is 8. These are so adorable. I wish I could collect them all, but you know, you need that space. You need cabinet space, storage space. Grinch, not the Grinch, Cat in the Hat and Grinch. I know Grinch has been really huge this year. All over social media. $12.99. You get 2 mugs and hot chocolate. Dr. Seuss, the Cat in the Hat. And we also have the Grinch. Check that out for $20. You could throw your nuts in there. And look at that on top with the sleigh. That is just too cool. And even down here, look at that. I am loving all this new stuff. And look, oh my gosh, she is drinking water from the nut bowl or whatever you choose to put in here. That is just too cool. I do think this cake dome is really interesting. Some new cute wrapping. We have Mickey and Minnie and Minnie Mouse. Sorry about that. $7. Let's see. Made in the USA. And look at the avocado one. That's really cute. It's a jumbo one. The snowman cookie one back here is actually quite cute. Who makes this one? Is this Food Network? Do they have their own? No. $8 here. I was like, what? Food Network has their own wrapping paper now. And of course, Peanuts is $7. It's another one. Those are adorable. Oh, you guys, the Christmas area is gone. I know I've been saying it. I feel like I'm repeating myself in most of the videos, but I cannot get over how condensed it is already. Like, it is crazy. We know Snoopy, he's gonna dance. Santa is 17. Oh, he has a cookie. That is so funny. Look at that penguin at $10 this way to the North Pole. I like him. And a little reindeer. Of course, the Santa's gonna play some jazz stuff, and you know there's gnomes if you're over the gnome. And here is everything left for Christmas. I feel like by Christmas time, you guys, It might be empty or might just see summer and spring because I saw some already. 24 Days of Christmas. You have the gnomes, and I believe these are candles by Strawberry Street. Oh, you know, it's not a candle, but you can hide something in there if you want. This one's cute. I haven't seen this one yet. $10. I still believe Santa's favorite. I do. I watched all the Santa Claus in order already. I may have to redo it. Okay, so we have Mickey and Minnie down here. And they do have a Pooh one today. 2 Piglet. Oh, he's so nice, right? For 20. And then he has a snowman. And Golden Girl coasters, $8. My daughter's all about this life. She's watching the Golden Girls in order. Santa, please stop here. They do have Winnie the Pooh coasters. Look at that. The row for $35. Have some animal print in there. Get cozy. That one's $35. So Peanuts. I don't really see anything too new in bedding. I do get asked to go through bedding. It's kind of been the same. They are slowly bringing out Valentine's, you guys. I know. $20 for this king one with hearts. It's going to be $25. You could find UGG in here for $39.99, which is like cheaper than Bed Bath and Beyond. So this is everything right now they have for bedding. Cynthia, we have the rainbow heart, more Peanuts. Oh, this one's kind of cute, but that's for a twin. Really cute shower curtains. You have the rainbow 2-piece and like a gingerbread one. These are 10. Here's a gingerbread one. I like them. I like the little guys. Look, he's in his little sweater. That is stinking cute. And he looks like a mean owl. He looks like he's gonna bite your finger off. That's just kind of crazy. They do have a bear in there. You're cute. Okay, bunnies. Yeah, they're bringing it out. Be Mine, XOXO. See, my dog would just tear these up. He actually goes for the eyeballs if they do have eyeballs, like actual plastic ones. Santa's Pet Shop. Look at that little sweater. Woodstock. These are gonna squeak. Oh, I could feel like that could be annoying, right? I wonder if that paint comes off. You have to be careful. Oh, look at this guy. That's a good tug-of-war one. Paws. Oh yeah, some bowls in here. Let me walk this way real quick. And balls in here. I know some people were against balls. This one has like a tennis ball in here. I wonder if you could detach that. Oh, you can't. And then throw your own tennis ball, you know, once this deflates or something. I feel like you can. I don't think so. Here's some Chuckets. Those are really good. I do like the Chucket. The glow-in-the-dark Chuckets. The Whistler. I do have these. But he doesn't like the texture. I know it's really weird. We have a Chuckets that are smooth all around.
It's the glow-in-the-dark one.
Yeah. This one's spiky. These are $4. And it does squeak. So if you don't mind the noise. Good toys for their stocking. So Minions, The Rise of Gru, you know what? This movie has been pushed back like 3 times. I believe it's not coming out till like June or July.
Yeah.
And look up here. This is really cute if you are a toy collector. $4.99. Look at that. The Uno. Oh, that is cool. Look at that old Barbie. I don't have my old Barbies anymore. Plenty of dinosaurs today. Lots of dinosaurs. Oh, look at that on top. Squeeze me. I was gonna make noise. If you don't want the noise, skip out on it. So you get 2 here. You know they're stretchy and gooey. They're $20. And they're normally like 10 to 15 by itself. Now, I did find this before. I do think it's really cool. And I did buy one for drop off. Okay, they make noise. I don't think this one's gonna work. But it makes noise. And it lifts up like that. So it's a shark. So he goes back like that. It's really cool. Let me try this one in the back.
That one doesn't have the tab in it.
But they did have a dinosaur one, which I think is sold out already. Oh, here we go.
It roared.
That's like an alligator. I think it. Yeah, those are pretty cool. There's a little push one for $5. And here's a T-Rex with those little arms. Doesn't that look really, really funny? Champion for little girls, 20 bucks. It looks like it also comes in green. These are cute. We have some socks up in here. So $5.99. Snoopy, the child, and of course Disney in the back. And a lot of shavers for your man or for your teen. Really cool. They're only 20 bucks, and you do get 4 Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, Chewie, and Boba Fett. My husband keeps telling me I'm saying fat, but I've been saying it like that for years, and I'm like, what? You never told me.
I do, you don't listen.
Bath and wine holder speaker. Okay, remember the last time we saw a beer one? Or this one's for your wine for 15. That's funny. Okay, look at this one. Cup boxers. I never seen it in the little soup mug. Oh gosh. Pringles, Ben and Jerry's. Oh, look at the Star Wars. Are these socks? Let me pull it out real quick. Can I pull it out? Oh, they're underwear and socks. Let me turn it around for you for 10 bucks. And Star Wars are $5.99. That's kind of cool. We also have a Deadpool in here. Chili dog. It looks like those are socks. And more fun boxers. I believe they're all the same price. Yep, $5.99. Apple Jacks. Ooh, I love Apple Jacks. And I feel like they should make them scented. Okay, it looks like more playing cards. Tons of Harry Potter. They come in a tin for $5. This one's new. We have Heroes and Villains. Star Wars for $5.99. Again, great for Star Wars lovers. They got the child in here. 2 different cases, it looks like. They have Mando and Grogu, which I think the name is completely stupid. I'm so sorry. Charlie Brown Family Bingo. Oh, I want to play bingo. $7. That looks like fun. Check this out. That looks like fun, right? Top and bottom for $20. My son's all about that life, being cozy. Then more pajama bottoms, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go, you guys. It is getting really, really crowded already. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.